Alright, welcome back to Stroboogybaitshop. I know it's been a while since I posted my last bait making video, but I am back and in full effect. And I wanted to share some of the newest additions to the mold collection. Some of these you've seen before, but I decided to throw them in a mix. So starting from left to right, of course you know about the 2-inch crappie slayer. The newest addition is the 2.75 Ned crawler from Epic Bait Molds. Awesome mold, guys. Awesome as you can see in the intro. This is their 2-inch curly tail grub. I took some of these down south to Tennessee during my birthday weekend, and we were killing the crappies on that. Also, of course, you've seen this one before, Epic Bait Molds Prey Bait. Another new addition is the 3.2-inch Epic Slouch. Awesome mold, guys. And we also went on and grabbed the 4.6 Freaking Frog. Awesome mold, shoots perfect every time. All their molds do. Great company. And of course you guys may have seen this before, the 3.25 Net Leech. So since that shot so well, and I caught a bunch of walleyes off of that particular bait, I went on and grabbed their 4.25 flipping leech. Let's keep it Epic Bait Mode. So for the last purchase that I made from Epic Bait Molds was their 3-inch jackhammer. I had a lot of customers request 3-inch baits, and that boy pours perfect every single time. We also have up next Angling AI's Atomic Toad. Awesome mold. And this boy right here is the 3-inch Net Leash from Angling AI. It's actually the core shot version where you can shoot an outside color, remove the rods, and shoot a second color on the inside of the bait. This monstrosity right here comes from BTS Molds. This is, I believe it's called their big crawl. It's the 4.75-inch crawl. And I know this boy is going to punch through grass like it's nobody's business. Get them bass that's buried down up in that grass. This right here comes from Fatguysfishing. This is their 7-inch ribbon tail mold. Also went and grabbed Fatguysfishing 6-inch trick worm. And you guys have probably seen this before. We were also killing crappies down in Tennessee with this beast of a mold from Fatguysfishing. This is their beaver tail grub mold. And you've probably seen this before. We were killing the crappies on this, and this is the single tail grub mold. And the way this works is a 2-part system. You shoot the heads of the grub, take them out of those cavities, place them in those cavities to shoot the tails. Awesome mold. And this also comes from Fatguysfishing, another 2-part system. This is the twin tail slayer system, and it works the same way. You shoot the heads of the molds, take them out of those cavities, place them in these cavities, and you shoot the tails. Next up is my new twin injector. It's an 8-ounce, and the reason why I got this is because I love the way the nozzles lock into place. You stick them right in the tube and twist them, and the boys lock into place. Unlike the first dual injector that I got, it's a 4-ounce, and you just push those into the tube of the injector. And the problem I had with this was if I had leftover plastic in the tube and would want to shoot the rest out into my Pyrex cup, those little tips keeps popping off. So I don't have that to worry about. Definitely is a breath of fresh air, because that was annoying like a mug. But anyway, that's the newest edition. Some oldies but goodies. Oh, also, for you bait makers, you know what that is. MF's motor oil. You know how hard it is to come across this, because they have a hard time keeping this in stock because it's in such a big demand. So yeah, once they replenish that stock, I grabbed as many as I could. Alright, so enough of the tour. Let's make some baits. Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me over the fan. We have our plastic up to temperature. It's about 360. And this will be the first time I'm using MF's motor oil. As you can see, I got a little on the label. Let's start off with 6 or 7 drops. Oh, that's nice. You can see that brown and that green. This motor oil is sweet. And it doesn't really take a whole lot that I see to start seeing the effects, but let's do a few more drops. And we're going to shoot this without any flakes. How good does that look? Yeah, we want to thicken this up a lot. And we're using a 2 cup Pyrex. So we have 2 cups of plastic in here. Yeah, I think I'm going to darken it up really good. Just for my first shoot, because I'm really frantic. And I want to get as much of the effect as I can. Alright, we're going to go with this. And that was probably about 30 drops or so. Let's take a look at the first mole. This is the 3.25 Ned Leech by Epic Prey Bait. Oh, wow. Check that out. That motor oil is something amazing. I like it. Sweet. See that brown and that green? It's that MF motor oil. Let's take a look at the other one. It's the 4.25 Flippin' Leech. Check that out. Oh, looks great in a bigger bait. Look how transparent that thing is. I believe this will catch quite a few walleyes. BTS crawl, 4.7 inches. Check that out. And this is a big boy crawl right here. Check that out. Very nice. And this is the 6-inch trick worm. That looks good. Look how good that looks. You see that green and that brown in there? And meth motor oil. Sorry about that, guys. Let's check out the smaller baits. Oh, that looks good. Prey bait in the motor oil looks good. Wish you could see these in person. Oh, that looks real good, guys. That looks really good. Let's check out our fluke from Angling AI. Here we have our flukes. This is the 5.75 inch. Those look real good. I'm going to add the MF motor oil, dead on plastic snow shine, and 2 different sizes of red glitter. I want to try something funky. I want to add some of Dip Your Car's Alien Pearl. Might as well go all out. You know, why not? Let's see what that gives us. Have to turn the fans off for this. You don't want this to blow all over your shop. And let's see what we got. Have to heat up my plastic a little bit. I'm back up to about 345. And this is looking interesting. Oh wow, check that out. Check that out. Okay, that's enough of the alien pearl. Just add some more worm oil. Oh yeah, that looks good. I like it a lot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Might want it a little darker. And that's gonna do it for that. Get this mixed in, and I'll bring the cup up to the camera so you can get a good look at it. Check that out. I have my mold sitting on a griddle, and we're going to get this heated back up, and I'll be right back for the first shoot after I add my glitters. Oh man, I hope I didn't mess those up, guys. Yeah, something's not right. It's not shooting right. Oh, maybe because it's empty. Alright. For some reason, I don't feel confident about that shoot. Might have to do some troubleshooting. But we'll give it a few minutes and we'll check it out. I think I had a little bit of flashing. Oh. Okay, it wasn't too bad. Okay, that looks good. Alright. And here is the Epic Prey Baits. And look how good that looks. That looks really good. I thought I had some flashing. Trying to straighten these out really quick so you can get a good look at them. It's not acting right. Sorry for hitting the camera. But yeah, those look really good, guys. Come on, camera. Those came out really good. You can see that dip your car effect within the baits. Okay. Grab my water so I can start the curing process. But yeah, I really like this, guys. Look how good that looks. Okay. And the reason why I thought it was flashing because when I heated up my moles were extremely hot. And this one is still a little warm, but it's been sitting for about 20 minutes or so. Okay, not too bad. Some flashing. Okay, it peeled right on off. Except for, looks like one of them didn't fill all the way. So we have one casualty, but the rest came out really good. And this is the curly tail mole from Epic Bait Moles. Let me just pop one of them off, put the rest in the bath. Got a little residue, but that looks really good. It's a tiny, tiny bait. Hopefully you can see those effects on the camera and within the tail. There's the tail. Yeah, the hammer mole's just a little too hot. And let's check out Fatguysfishing paddle tail mole. Yeah, some flashing. Ooh. Yeah, this one didn't come out good at all. So I'm going to recycle these. And we're going to shoot this one again after we get the mole all cleaned up. And let's check out the slouch. Only had enough plastic to shoot 3 cavities. And of course I got plastic everywhere. Sorry about that, guys, but check those out. Those look really good. Sorry for the extra plastic on my hands. It's sticking to the bait. But check that out. Nice pearl effects. And let's get this out the way. And the very last mole is the crappie slayer. Yeah, I think I got some flashing on this one too, guys. Yep, definitely has some flashing. There you go. Yeah. Trying to get these together. Just checking them out really quick. But they do look pretty good. Not as much flashing as I thought. Nice pearl effects. Come on, camera. Let me sit the other ones down. Clean off my hands a little bit. It's definitely a messy hobby slash business. If that is your intention when investing in all these molds and equipment. Okay. And sorry for hitting the camera, guys. Check that out. Nice pearl effects. Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me over the fans. Shot some more and these came out really nice. Really nice. Check that out. I love Epic Bait molds. They shoot perfect every single time. Check out that spread. Alright guys, we're gonna make a all glitter bait. I'm using Chartreuse, the .062 and the .015. Hopefully you can still hear me over the fan. And we're going to get this all mixed in. Guessed it, we're not going to use any colorant for this. It's the first time I'm doing this. So we just gonna have some fun. See what we can come up with. We'll get this heated up just a little bit. And I'll meet you back when we're ready to shoot. Alright guys, we're ready to shoot. Let's just drop our plastic. And hopefully with the size of glitters that we're using, hopefully it fills up the cavities and doesn't block any of them. And that's the good thing about making your own baits. You can do whatever you want. And I'm really hoping all the cavities fill up. This will let me know if I'm using the wrong size glitter. shooting them kind of fast. And just holding the pressure when I feel the pump stop. I like the way that looks up top. So we're going to take these off the griddle while I get everything cleaned up. And I'll meet you right back here for the unboxing. Alright guys, we are back. I'm super excited to see how this turned out. I'm going to start with the crappie slayer. Oh wow, check that out. Check that out. Clear plastic with just the Chartreuse. Looks super nice. Check that out. It's translucent. With that Chartreuse glitter. How nice is that? Right. Woo, look at those curly tails. Just a string of goodness. Check those out. Those look really good. I love the way it's translucent, but with that glitter, just can't beat that. Let's check out the prey baits. Alright, they actually came out inside the mold this time. And that looks really good. Really good. How nice is that? Last but not least, got the slouch. And I can't get these to come out in one mold. Maybe I need to lubricate the mold. I do want you guys to see them all together. Check that out. That's killer right there. Amazing. Look how amazing that looks. And I do have plans on just shooting a bunch of molds today, different colors, and I just wanted to share a few of them with you. Alright guys, so we got our next cup mixed up. We got the Chartreuse, and we added some grape glitter. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you can hear me over the fans. Got our temperature. Let's check that. We got our temperatures at 365, so we're going to shoot it like this. Shot that one really fast. Hopefully that doesn't have any bubbles in it. I didn't mean to shoot it as fast as I did. Uh-oh, too much pressure. Didn't let off the pressure when I lift the injector off the mold. So hopefully I'll have enough for the rest of these cavities. I think I might have made it. Yeah. Alright, so we'll give that a few minutes and I'll meet you right back here. Alright guys, let's do the unboxing. We got everything cleaned up. And let's see what we got. Oh wow, those look great. Hopefully you can still hear me over the fan. Those look really good. Those look really good. Place those in our little curing bowl. And let's check out the next one. I'm gonna go through them kind of fast because I got some more colors I want to mix up. Man, that looks good. That looks really good. Crappie Slayer mode wins every time. Oh, sorry for hitting the camera. Okay. Let's check out the prey baits. I wanted to show you guys while they were still in the mold, but looks like it didn't want to act right. Here we go. How nice are those? Let me find something. Put these on here so you can get a better look at them. Yeah. Dinner is served. That looks good. That grape glitter looks really good in these baits. And last but not least, got the slouch. And of course they didn't want to come out on the same side. That looks really good. That looks really good. I want you guys to see them side by side. It's a really nice spread. Shoots perfect every single time. Alright guys, I really want to thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am currently editing some new videos, so be on the lookout for that. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And I will see you next time on Stroboogybaitshop.